This one is a follow-up video to a question that Mo777 asked me, and he said, do I think that the CX is like more jobs for lorries than there is for vans? And I kind of went, I reckon it's about the same, it depends on you. The other thing is, because I think he's trying to work out whether it's worth his while jumping from a van to a truck. He said, what about the difference in expenses? So I'll try and give you a rough breakdown. This is the Janet and John version here. Everything is dearer. It stands to reason it is, because the vehicle you're moving suddenly weighs 10 tonne, whereas the vehicle you used to move like 1.5, 2 tonne. So diesel is dearer. Parts are bigger, so they're dearer. Insurance is more money. You have to pay to park it, whereas you didn't before. You have to have a transport manager. But at the same time, they pay you for more jobs, because people are prepared to pay more money to move 14 pallets than they are to move a shoebox. So to give you a rough idea, let's drill into it. My diesel bill's about £500 a week. When I was driving around in a Luton, £200 a week, maybe £250. Because I was driving a Mercedes, and I'm now in a DAF, there's not that much difference in parts. And you've also got to bear in mind the fact that if parts are dearer, because they're bigger and they're stronger, they might last longer. So to be honest with you, on the parts side of things, it's neither in nor there. There's not a lot in it. Insurance, once again, you've got a good, it's how long's a piece of string, but you've got a good no claims bonus and you're parking in a decent area. Not a lot in it. My insurance on my lorry is about, or should be about £3.5k a year. When you're driving a van, depending, you might have insurance driving a van for £1,000 a year. You might be paying 5k. It depends on you, your driving record, all that. But there's not a lot in it. You're looking at parking. My parking is cheap. I pay £200 a month, and that's cheap. I know places out there that will charge you that for a week. You have to pay for a transport manager. Transport manager is going to cost you for one lorry on average about £350 a month. So that you can add on another £500 there. But at the same time, when I was driving to Luton, my target for the day was £250. Try and get 3 jobs in, around about the £70 mark, or get one on, get that off early, do a couple of jobs, get one on, £250. You might be looking at more now. Driving a truck, it's double that. And it's a lot less grief. There's a lot less handball. A lot more of it is fault on, fault off, or right now, parked on a bay ready to go in, like, you know. So, but as I said in the last video, ultimately, it's not just about the money. Lorries are involved. There's a lot more to it. You've got to get an operator's license. You've got to keep your scores down. You've got to worry about your driving hours and all that. You don't have that in a van. I like trucks because they're spacious. I like being higher up. I just like trucks. So ultimately, I don't think it necessarily comes down to which is the best way forward, which one makes the most money. It's more a matter of which one are you the most happy with. They both make money. It's whichever suits you the best. Admittedly, if you want to jump in a truck, it's not that straightforward. You've got to get an operator's license. You've got to get a CPC. That's not there. It takes you a week. It costs you £200. It's got to be updated. You do one course a year. It costs £40 a year and takes you a day. It's neither here nor there. Like, you know, it's more a matter of what do you want? Do you want to drive a truck? Do you fancy driving a truck? Or do you think, actually, I'm really happy in my van, but I should jump in a truck because there's more money in it? Don't do it. Stay in your van. But we'll discuss this again on Sunday, like we did last time. Mo, I hope I finally got around to answering your questions. Sorry it took so long. And whatever you're doing, you might, for all I know, you've probably been an ex-steady stopper by now. But if you're out there, van or lorry, I hope you're taking care and taking money.